Ever wondered if you can use Notion on your phone? I mean, it's a fantastic tool for organizing your life, but is it mobile-friendly? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine having your entire digital life at your fingertips, accessible anytime, anywhere. That's the promise of Notion, and in this video, we're going to see if it delivers on that promise. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Notion is for those who might be new to it. Notion is a versatile workspace that can be used for everything from note-taking to project management. It's known for its flexibility and customization options, making it a favorite among productivity enthusiasts. Addressing the main question, so, can you use Notion on your phone? The short answer is, absolutely. Notion has a dedicated mobile app that's designed to provide a seamless experience, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Exploring the mobile app, let's take a closer look at what the Notion mobile app offers. First and foremost, it's incredibly intuitive to navigate. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it easy to find what you need. One of the standout features of the mobile app is its offline capabilities. This means you can access your notes and databases even when you're not connected to the internet. This is a game changer for those who frequently find themselves offline, whether it's on a plane, a train, or in a remote location. Key features and benefits. In addition to offline access, the Notion mobile app offers a variety of other features that make it a valuable tool for productivity on the go. These include real-time collaboration, work on projects with others in real time, even when you're not in the same location. Customizable templates. Choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates to get started quickly. Database functionality. Create and manage databases to organize your information effectively. Task management. Set goals, track progress, and stay on top of your to-do list. Note-taking. Capture ideas, thoughts, and inspiration with ease. Addressing potential concerns. While the Notion mobile app is excellent, there are a few things to keep in mind. The app's performance can sometimes be affected by the complexity of your workspace. If you have a large number of pages and databases, you may experience some lag. Additionally, while the offline functionality is great, it's important to note that you won't be able to create new pages or databases while offline. Overall, Notion's mobile app is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to stay organized and productive on the go. It offers a wide range of features, is easy to use, and provides a seamless experience. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to improve your productivity, Notion's mobile app is definitely worth checking out. So, there you have it. You can absolutely use Notion on your phone. In fact, it's a great way to stay organized and productive, no matter where you are. With its intuitive interface, offline capabilities, and powerful features, Notion's mobile app is a must-have for anyone who wants to make the most of their time. If you're not already using Notion, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can download the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.